One of the men accused of killing Memphis rapper Young Dolph was punched behind bars. Fox 13's Dominic Dillon is joining us live outside of the Criminal Justice Center. Dominic, his attorney tells you that he was attacked by another inmate last week.
Yeah, Darcy, we're told that he was here at 201 Poplar on the 4th floor making a phone call when another inmate walked up to him and punched him. Now, we tried to get more information about the particulars. His attorney says he's still waiting to get those answers.
Unfortunately, the jail is a violent place, and assaults are common.
So common, Justin Johnson, the man accused of killing young Dolph, was attacked, according to his attorney.
I haven't seen him since last week. I understand that another inmate in the jail attacked him.
Johnson's attorney, Junie Ganguly, says his client was punched by another inmate on Friday while in the middle of a phone call. It happened in the visitation area at 201 Poplar.
Anytime a client that you like is attacked, it's unfortunate, but again, that's just life in the jail.
Ganguly says he doesn't know what security protocols are in place to protect Johnson while in custody. But from his experience, things come to a screeching halt when he visits his client.
When he's moved, when I come to see him, there's no staff movement, there's no inmate movement because of the high-profile nature of his case.
I reached out to the Shelby County Sheriff's Office for comment. They sent me a short statement that reads in part, "This incident is under investigation." Ganguly says his client suffered some superficial injuries and did not attempt to fight back.
Did not strike back. He has not been charged with any assaultive conduct.
Johnson's lawyer says they have a court appearance scheduled Thursday. He says they have filed for discovery materials in the Young Dolph case, but plan to let the judge know they haven't received that full package yet. Reporting downtown, Dominic Dillon, Fox 13 News.
Thank you so much, Dominic. Well, Justin Johnson is one of 3 people facing charges in connection to Young Dolph's murder. The 23-year-old was taken into custody by U.S. Marshals on January 11th at a truck stop outside of Terre Haute, Indiana. Johnson was then extradited to Memphis 2 days later, where he was indicted on several charges, including first-degree murder. But Johnson maintains his innocence.
2 things that y'all should have noticed, right? 2 things. He didn't fight back on purpose. For the cats who claim to get revenge and stuff like that for Young Dolph and all that, can I ask y'all this simple question? Do y'all realize y'all make the case for him to get out? Because it's showing that the police can't protect him. Do y'all realize that? Do y'all know that? If he cannot be protected behind bars and stuff like that, it's a high-profile case. Next time they come to court on the 24th, it's going to make it seem as though he has an absolute case to be made to get up out of the penitentiary. So you emotional cats, and I admit, I lose it myself too and everything like that. Y'all gonna have to knock it off. If you want to get him, you probably should wait during the trial because, oh yeah, they're preparing to go to trial. Y'all might have missed this part right here, and this is what I was talking about.
Johnson's lawyer says they have a court appearance scheduled Thursday. He says they have filed for discovery materials in the Young Dolph case, but plan to let the judge know they haven't received that full package yet.
Ganguly, the L King. I'll leave it in the comments real quick for y'all and everything. Check out the video. After y'all check out this one here, make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell to stay notified. When I drop this file, you can be one of the first. And share this with your people worldwide. Prestige worldwide. I just was watching that movie 2 days ago. Yeah, they're getting ready for trial. That dog and pony show, they're only doing their due diligence. Cornbread lawyer Michael Show, his video will be coming out, bro. I just keep on seeing more. It's just hard. It's like when I put it out, when I get ready to put it out, more stuff keep popping up. And I'm like, what the hell? It's a dope video though, so make sure you definitely subscribe to this channel and got that bell on. But also, Ganguly is getting ready to go to trial too. I'm going to tell you right now, bro. They're going to plead out. But they're getting ready to take it to discovery. Now, I mean, they're ready to get the discovery. Not take it to discovery, pardon me. If you don't know what discovery is, basically what it is these cats are getting ready to see exactly what evidence and testimonies and all this crap and everything like that. Now, we found out that it's blood and bullets, well, technically shells, blood and shells that's in the car that was used and stuff like that. But we're going to see exactly what case is built up in order for people to be held accountable for young Dolph's murder, aka Cornbread and JJ. Now, the actual definition of the discovery is this. This is the formal process of exchanging information between the parties about the witnesses and evidence they present at trial. Discovery enables the parties to know before trial begins what evidence may be presented. Now, that's from the American Bar Association. Just gonna put that out there in case you didn't know. But look, there's where it gets kind of interesting. One of the most common methods of discovery is to take depositions, meaning they get to sit up here and question those individuals. We talk about cops and all that shit and everything like that to stop this shit. Now watch this. One of the most common methods of discovery is to take deposition. A deposition is an out-of-court statement given under oath by any person involved in the case. It is to be used at trial or in preparation for trial. It may be in the form of a written transcript, a videotape, or both. In most states, either parties may take deposition of the other party or of any other witnesses. Both sides have the right to present during oral depositions. Depositions enable a party to know in advance what a witness will say at the trial. Depositions can also be taken to obtain the testimony of important witnesses who can appear during the trial. In that case, they're reread into evidence in the trial. Often the witness's deposition will be taken by the opposing side to be used to discredit the witness's testimony at a trial if the trial testimony varies from the testimony taken during the deposition. That's like when y'all see these lawyers, when y'all see these lawyers come through with a star witness, and the star witness sits up there and, Your Honor, blah, 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 everything I said is true, and then you see the other attorney come through and boom, destroy everything they just said because they know what they're going to say when they say it. This is how you get one of the great to good attorneys. So don't believe the BS about them really trying to say that they gonna go ahead and get bail. No, that's what the lawyers are supposed to do. That's what they're supposed to do. But in all actuality, they're getting ready for the trial, which I think it's gonna start in July. If y'all want me to be a guessing man, I think it's gonna start in July. But y'all let me know, man, what y'all think. You think I'm pushing it too much with, oh, bro, nah, they're not getting ready for the trial when he just asked for discovery, which he said that they didn't get. So that can also mean, too, bruh, the police ain't really got nothing because you asked for the discovery and you haven't gotten it, which means they're still building the case, which everybody feels, for the most part, that the police jumped the gun a little bit. That JJ Cornbread may not actually be guilty. The fact that they've already been there for a couple of months with no discovery, but you were able to get them indicted on a grand jury and everything like that to go ahead and put out that arrest warrant, I gotta ask the simple question, bro. Simply this. Do y'all really have a case? Because at the very end of the day, y'all have to prove these cats killed young Dolph. And the burden of proof lies on the state, not in public opinion, not in conspiracy videos on YouTube, none of that stuff. So to the state, do you have what you need? Because they don't have what you have. So they can't discredit shit because they don't have shit. Just kind of like the YNW Melly case. Bro, do y'all realize this nigga YNW Melly has been locked up for like damn near 3-4 years? Do y'all realize that? This nigga been locked up damn near forever. It seemed like. Now, shout out to Judge Coffee Lee. Because he like, bro, you're not going to waste the court's time. You're not going to waste taxpayers' dollars. None of that shit. But at the same time, bro, the state, Where's your proof? Because time is ticking down. Ball's in your court. Y'all expect me to keep it real? Because you know that I will. I do this daily, baby. Check out the Nightly Nash podcast. Also, stream the music Steady Nash if you have not. It's on all streaming platforms. Guaranteed you're going to find something you like. Probably like that overly thugging freestyle, or maybe something different. Let me know in the comments. We possibly shoot that music video.